Hello everybody, this is Amanda Lusanya and welcome to my page. I am a professional stylist, and during this time of quarantine, I have had a lot of people ask me, can I cut my own hair? How do I cut my own hair? And I'm going to show you a very simple version to cut your bangs. I think the best version is to actually just tie your hair up as much as you can. Take care of your hair, braid your hair, things like that is going to protect it without causing damage. Before I show you how to cut the hair, I'm going to show you how I style the hair so that you can protect it. And you can do this during sleep, or if you're ever working out, if you're ever growing your bangs out, anything like that, it's a good tip for you. Okay, so this, normally I just kind of do a parting like that. And then what I do is I take two strands like this, and then another strand, and then I basically French braid my hair, but with only two strands. So you can see I'm just taking more hair and wrapping that around into a twist. Again, this is a great way to protect your hair without having to cut your hair, because the reality is if you cut anything too short, the only way your stylist can ever fix your hair is by going shorter. So you can see how that kind of helps protect your hair up before you even have to cut it, and you can do it to the other side as well. But I told you I'd show you how to cut it, so let's cut it. A few things that you'll need is you'll need a comb, and you can order this from Amazon off my page because I love this comb. It's a carbon comb. It's a great comb. It will last you forever. A pair of shears, because obviously, but ideally they will be hair shears on some level rather than your kitchen shears. A couple of clips depending on how thick your hair is. Maybe a ponytail holder that will help hold your hair back while you do this. And then maybe a brush. Ideally, you want to get your hair straight. You want to blow dry your bangs back and forth like this. Get them as straight as possible. Get any colics out. Get any kind of weird things out. And we will cut the hair. So I'm gonna do it assuming that my hair is kind of parted in the middle. Be a lot easier if I could see, but if I can't see, you guys can't see either. All right, so I'm gonna get the rest of this hair out of the way with my little ponytail holder. This really close and make sure that I clip that out of the way. It's very important because, again, when you start combing your hair down and you can't see, you're not going to get into that hair. So the first thing you want to do, so this is really even. Now, let's say that you have a part off to one side. What you can do is you can literally part this off to one side. You can make your bang parting more like this. That gives you more weight over here. You can go to a V back here and do a heavy point. That will give you a deeper bang without going too wide. There's a lot of different options that you can do. One thing that I'm gonna do though, and I do this on my own clients as well, is I actually part this hair into two just to make sure that I don't get ahead of myself, because if I do cut it too short, I have that kind of extra layer in the back. So the simplest way to do this is to kind of pull this hair down like this. Now, the natural thing that people want to do is pull really tight and get it really, really straight. But then when you let it go, it's going to bounce back a little bit. You see that? So really what I like to do is I'll pull it towards the center like this, and then let go of that bounce a little bit to see where that is. And just simply cut. I don't even want bangs. I'm doing this for you guys. And then what that does is it goes like, it gives it kind of a curtain look, if that makes sense. So if you like that and you're like, yeah, that's good, that's good. Okay, I haven't had bangs in a long time. That's cute. All right, so then I'm gonna take this second one down, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. Now, if you got it too long and you're like, then you wanna kind of, I felt where my bangs are, and I'm just gonna go past a little bit, and I'll show you what that does. It also kind of adds an extra little layer in there. So sometimes it kind of just adds like a little cuteness. So it gives it that. Now, if you want your bangs to go really, really straight across, and I'm not gonna do this, I don't love you guys that much, but one thing you can do is rather than going this way with it, come out this way, pull that bang down, and then cut this way. You know, It's all options, but I just wanted to kind of give you the shortest, simplest, easiest version of cutting your own bangs. So I now have bangs. Probably don't want to blend it in. So they will kind of blend in on their own, and that's it. It's a really good length for a side version. You know, anything above this bridge of the nose is going to be really, really short. So just kind of err on caution there. This is a good side bang length, about the tip of the nose, and anything in between is just going to be some variation of that. So remember, when you do get back to your stylist, the only way we can fix hair is by cutting it shorter. So good luck, don't get too bored, and we'll catch you next time.